Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom meeting directly from your web browser. This is especially useful if you don't want to download the Zoom app or if you're using a computer where you can't install software. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to zoom.es. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in with your Zoom credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account. This step ensures that you can join meetings associated with your profile and keeps your meeting history organized. After logging in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a button labeled Join. Click on it to proceed. This will open a dialog box where you can enter the meeting ID or personal link provided by the meeting host. Go ahead and type in the meeting ID, then click the Join button. This initiates the connection process to the meeting you want to attend. Now, here's an important step that many people miss. If prompted to download Zoom or open the Zoom app, don't click those options. Instead, scroll down the page a bit. You'll find a blue link that says Join from your browser. Click on that link. This ensures you're staying within your web browser rather than being redirected to the desktop application. Once you click Join from your browser, the browser-based Zoom interface will begin to load. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a moment, so be patient while the meeting room prepares to connect you. Next, if you don't have a microphone or camera, or if you simply prefer not to use them right away, you'll see an option that says Continue without microphone and camera. Click on that option. This allows you to join the meeting as a listener and viewer without broadcasting your audio or video. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the meeting passcode. This is a security feature that the host has set up to protect the meeting. Type in the passcode exactly as it was shared with you, making sure there are no extra spaces or errors. Finally, click the Join button one more time. This completes the connection process and brings you into the meeting room where you can see and hear other participants. And that's it. You've successfully joined a Zoom meeting from your web browser without needing to download any additional software. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.